really good, spicy, and very flavorful. Next time, I'll just do this and not this. Kulang sa lasa. This is like 9 out of, no, 8 out of 10. 5 out of 10.
So this is the Charlie Chan that we made, and this is the compound. So this looks very dark. This looks more dark than this. So that means it's more spicier than this, I think. And then, but I didn't try it yet. So and then this looks less spicy. So I'm gonna try the Charlie Chan first. Go. So the Charlie Chan has a little bit heat on it. It's kind of sweet also. And the chicken is really soft and tastes like soy sauce. But it's a really good one. So now I'm gonna try the Kung Pao. So this also has a little bit heat on it. And then mushroom is very soft and well cooked. And the chicken is the same. So I feel like the Charlie Chan's better because it has more flavor to it than the Kung Pao. In my opinion, I would like this one more than this because it's so much flavor than this and it's more lively. I would rank this like a 8 out of 10, and then this one's like a 6 out of 10.